Introducing Precision Asset Intelligence for Building Condition Assessment. Hey guys, remember to head below to like, comment and subscribe for all the latest on our videos. The service is delivered by CAM Drone Services, a CAA-Certified drone inspection provider, and offers a complete visual and measured record of the entire building envelope. Precision Asset Intelligence is designed to tackle the high costs, safety risks, and data delays typical of traditional property maintenance. Drones capture high-resolution visual, thermal, and spatial data in hours rather than days. Detailed reports are typically issued within 24 to 48 hours, significantly faster than manual surveys. Independent comparisons show cost reductions of 53% to 70% compared to using scaffolding, and removes the need for personnel to work at height, allowing engineers to conduct assessments from the ground. It uses thermal imaging to detect hidden issues like moisture ingress, insulation gaps, and thermal bridging. This helps identify heat loss to assist with energy efficiency and net zero decarbonization strategies. It also eliminates the need for bulky access equipment, ensuring building operations remain uninterrupted. The service provides real-time video and high-res imagery for faster insurance claims and maintenance prioritization. Reports are structured to assist with both immediate repairs and long-term CapEx forecasting. James Dyer, founder of CAM Drone Services, said, "Building owners and facilities teams often need answers quickly. Our focus is on providing timely, accurate condition data that allows informed decisions to be made earlier before minor defects escalate into larger issues." To learn more, read the full article in our Building Services category. Read more at TWinFM.com.